We're going to break down the different types of walls you'll find in a house and explain what makes each one unique. We're talking load-bearing walls, shear walls, partition walls, the whole shebang. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify the different types of walls in your own home and impress your friends with your newfound wall wisdom. First up, we've got the load-bearing walls. These are the MVPs of your house, the real workhorses. They're responsible for holding up the entire structure, transferring the weight of the roof, floors, and anything else above them down to the foundation. Think of them like the strong man in a circus act, holding everything together. Removing or modifying one without proper planning can have some seriously bad consequences, like your house deciding to spontaneously remodel itself into a pile of rubble. To figure out if a wall is load-bearing, look for some telltale signs. They're usually thicker than other walls and run perpendicular to the floor joists above. Trust me, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to load-bearing walls. Next, we've got the non-load-bearing walls, the ninjas of the wall world. They might look like they're load-bearing cousins, blending in seamlessly, but they're not actually holding up any weight from the structure. Their main job is to divide spaces, providing privacy and defining the layout of your home. These are the walls you want to befriend if you're planning a renovation. Want to create an open-concept living space? Non-load-bearing walls are your friends. They can house electrical wiring, plumbing, and insulation. Plus, they play a big role in soundproofing. So, while they may not be the structural superstars, non-load-bearing walls are the versatile multitaskers of the house. Now, let's talk about the tough guys of the wall world. Shear walls. These walls are like the superheroes of your house, protecting you from the forces of nature. They're specifically designed to resist lateral forces like strong winds and earthquakes. Shear walls are usually made of stronger materials than your average wall, like reinforced concrete or plywood sheathing. They help keep your house from swaying or, even worse, collapsing during a storm or seismic event. You'll often find shear walls in basements, garages, and exterior walls, where they can brace the structure against external forces. So next time you see a house standing strong against the elements, give a little shout out to the shear walls. Moving on to the interior design enthusiasts, we have partition walls. These walls are all about flexibility and customization. They don't carry any structural weight, so they can be easily moved, removed, or reconfigured to suit your changing needs and style preferences. Think of partition walls as the stagehands of your home, setting the scene and defining different areas. They can create cozy nooks, separate workspaces, or provide a bit of privacy in an otherwise open layout. From drywall and plywood to glass blocks and even fabric panels, the options are endless. They give you the freedom to experiment, personalize your space, and easily adapt your home as your needs evolve. Last but not least, let's not forget about our outdoor friends, the retaining walls. These walls might not be inside your house, but they play a crucial role in shaping your landscape and protecting your property. Retaining walls are the unsung heroes that hold back soil or rock from encroaching on your house, driveway, or other structures. They prevent erosion, create level ground on sloped sites, and add visual interest to your outdoor space. So next time you're admiring a beautifully landscaped yard with terraces and retaining walls, take a moment to appreciate the engineering and artistry that went into creating those functional and aesthetic elements. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. We hope you learned a thing or two about the different types of walls and the important roles they play in our homes and landscapes. Now you can